Hi everyone, welcome back to Android Explained. My name is Josh. In today's tutorial, we're looking at how to recover deleted photos from your gallery. Stay right here, let's do it. Alright, so you head to your Play Store and type in Disk Digger Photo Recovery. You click install. After a few minutes or seconds, depending on your internet strength, the download will be completed and then the installing process will begin. After that, click on open. When you open, run a few authorization procedures. You allow Disk Digger to access photos, medias and files on your device. After that, you close the application and then head to your gallery. We want to choose photos to sample on. We are using these 4 photos. You select 4. You select any photos that you want to sample this procedure on. After that, you go back to the application you just installed, Disk Digger. You click on Start Basic Scan. The procedure will begin for scanning deleted photos. Just take a couple of seconds. The deleted photos will pop up. As you can see, the 4 photos we just deleted. And you'll be prompted to confirm which recovery procedure you would like to use. We're having save the files to an app on your device, such as email, Dropbox, or Google Drive. The other one is save the files to a custom location. I think we can go with save to custom location. We click the second option. Then the scan is complete. After that, choose which folder you want your photos to be saved in. In this case, I'm using downloads. You click on allow. You see saving files and the confirmation showing 4 files saved successfully. After that, the recovery process will be done. Then you go back to your gallery to confirm whether the photos were recovered successfully. Voila, the photos were successfully restored. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you. Be safe.